If we now apply our SMED method, which we have previously discussed, the first step would be to clearly define which activity is external activity and which activity is the internal activities. So here we see the activity number 3 as well as the activity number 11 are the external activities. In step number 2, we are aiming to externalize all the external activities. So we see here, we have here activity number 3, in which the maintenance guy is bringing all his equipment, pump, container, etc. Altogether, it is taking us 20 minutes to perform that, and he can do that, and he can do this before the machine has been stopped or during the activity number 2 when the machine is being cooled down. Similarly, the activity number 11 is that we are waiting for the quality department to give us the results, and instead of waiting during the activity number 10, we can take the 10 parts out for the inspection, and after that we can start the machine immediately. For this, we really have to do the risk analysis. How often we have seen in last 1 year that the first 10 produced parts were defective. If that has happened, say 2 times in the whole year, so if we run the machine for this 25 minutes, how many parts we will be producing? Imagine we are producing 25 parts here. So if this has happened 2 times in previous year, so it means we could have wasted here 50 parts. The cost of 50 parts we should compare with the cost of the not running machine for 25 minutes every single week in the whole year. So with this argument, in my experience, all the time I have done this analysis, the cost of stopping the machine was always much more higher than in case we have the quality issue and we have to scrap these parts few times per year. So with that, we can keep the machine running and do the inspection when the machine is running there.